Welcome to the Gadget Show Tech channel. We've got the MAG 27 4QRF QD-E2 and it's equipped with a rapid IPS panel, 180Hz refresh rate and quantum dot display technology. So stay tuned. We'll also be going into the gaming intelligence software and is it any good? QHD and this is a VESA display HDR 400. Yeah, it's pretty good. 65 watt USB and you can charge from that. It's got height adjustable, you can twist it, turn it and raise it up and down. So let's get on with unboxing. So let's go through them. We've got a power supply here, 120 watt output. This is the Upstream cable used with Gaming Intelligence and Mystic Light. Now this is a display lead, DisplayPort lead. It has comes with a UK 3-pin and then that style connection. And then we've got the base, quite nice and square. This is what I liked. I didn't like the forked ones. And then we've got the instructions. Some screws in there that'll probably be to fix the bracket, and then this is the stand. This monitor is height adjustable, which was very important to me. I like height adjustments, viewing angles and heights. Yeah, it looks quite a nice finish. I just lift this out, put that aside. Vents here. So there's a DisplayPort connection with two HDMIs next to it. There's a USB-C. So you can charge from that, two USB ports and the all important Upstream connection if you want to use that. And the power. And this one here. And we're going to connect the cables. These are the connections underneath. We've got the power lead. It goes in there. The block end. We connect that. What this cable comes with is called an Upstream. We have the DisplayPort cable and you just have to match it up with the shape of the connector and that's it. So the back of the computer where the graphics card is, this is the DisplayPort here. In it goes. As mentioned earlier, to get all this working with Gaming Intelligence, you'll need to connect the DisplayPort for one, then the USB type B from your monitor to your gaming PC or laptop. The back of the monitor has a little joystick button. This is how you get the on-screen display. Okay, after connecting your USB cable to the monitor, you can then install the MSI Gaming Intelligence, or if you have installed it, it will able now to be connect and communicate. It's because I'm on the tools page, but at the top here next to the frequencies you've got Mystic Light. So this is Mystic Light is separate from the MSI center, so you can choose your the color mode you want to have on the back. Also we have this one below, MSI Center. I've managed to resize it. I didn't know you could, which is pretty cool. In there we have, where is it, Mystic Light. And in here you can see there is a monitor icon. And the light on the back of the screen, you can change the colour of it and how it patterns. So the MSI software, it's okay. We'll come back to that in a minute about how it works with the games. So the Gaming Intelligence I've currently got on sRGB. This is okay for doing it manually, but at the moment the MSI Center does not switch between them. True colour. Going back to the gaming intelligence, another one we've got is premium colour. Racing. I have played a racing game, and enabling racing really does bring those cars to life. The bodywork, colours and everything. Up here we have the how many hertz it is, and in Windows, if you right click on the desktop and choose display settings, you have this. MSI said to me that needs to be enabled. And then tools, well, this is for extending the screen, but if you've got Windows, I'm sure Windows, this must be linking into Windows. There's probably no real need to come in here, but it's there if you prefer to do it all sort of from one place. So if you put your phone on the QR code, I'm going to install it, I think, and have a look. It's not that big, 31 megs, pretty good. Open. No doubt we've got to register or log in. Let's have a look. Search for device. This is quite interesting. It's found it. It's come up on my computer screen, the code. Now that was, I didn't expect that so quick. So maybe it's got Bluetooth. I haven't connected it via Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Yeah, I suppose it's my computer's on the Wi-Fi, and so anyway. Yeah, as I touch this is literally changing on my screen, and it's got an options I haven't necessarily spotted before, like this display P3 next to that RGB, Adobe RGB. So yeah, I think this is quite good. You can turn the monitor on and off, and you can change the input source, and clicking standard literally kind of turns everything off, and you're bound down to these basic settings. Now that's quite good because I didn't even notice the standard setting in Windows. Refresh rate off. Right, that actually shows it on the computer monitor screen on the right, so I don't want that. So it's gone back to Adobe RGB, but you can go standard and it's all sort of turned off. So there have been reports of it, the monitor being oversaturated, but literally with this software you can make it look like a normal monitor. Right, so let's run a game. I'm currently running Genshin Impact. Here we go. On the right hand side here we've got gaming, or true color, auto HDR from Windows. Why Windows is saying that as well. It's like everything's like trying to compete with each other, but at the end of the day the end result is pretty good. My mouse is looking rather pink. I am on full. Look at this color. This color is quite saturated because we have still got the color setting enabled. So I'm going to show you the differences, right? And I am on RPG. This is what I find
really
interesting.
Bring the Knights of Favonius
that
with
wasn't
you
even
next time.
Premium color. So let's see if we can switch back on premium color. So I was going to show you the differences in color, but the screen recorder doesn't seem to be. It's taking the native color. It's not showing what the output is. So I bought this new MSI monitor with quantum dot, and I've got the MSI Center running, which I had to reinstall so it recognized that it was a game, and then it would put it in HDR mode. Now originally I had to try and, I think I chose RPG in the OS display, which also comes with the gaming intelligence. So I've got user at the moment, which means it might be being taken over by the gaming intelligence. Now as you can see, RPG, this has darkened a bit. I mean, that was bright as hell. The colour is really quite deep and rich. I don't know if it's fully coming out on the phone because I'm recording on the phone. I don't know how much is adjusted, bits and pieces, but the colours are definitely deeper and richer. But this is a bit too bright. I don't think it actually looks too bad at this bit. So the one on the left, I've turned on QC HDR and HDR on the Windows, and then RPG, so you can get the results you require. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.